Welcome to Repro Products' corporate office. Here we offer several types of services at our company. We have print services, 3D laser scanning services, an Autodesk software sales division, wide format division, Xerox office and production division, as well as drone aerial imaging. We have actually two families, Repro Products and TCS, the color spot. For our print services division, we have small format color and copies, large format scanning, digital plan room, facilities management, large format black and white, and large format color functionality. We also have, for the small format color copies, black and white in color, 1 or 2 sided, collate and fold. We have choice of bindings, color prints up to 12 by 18, and CD/DVD creation. For our large format scanning, we have the ability to preserve the integrity of your data, to reduce your storage space, and to protect from loss due to water or fire. So let us scan your content. For our digital plan room, we have the ability to secure all of your digital content in a safe manner. For our facility management division, we have the ability to have you work with us since we've been around since 1979. And under our large format black and white, we have copy print up to 60 inches wide, full and half sizes, a large or reduced size, bond, vellum, or film, and choice of bindings. For full color copy and print, we have the ability to reduce your time and error with color CDs, and as much as 80%, 78%, and 65%. Wide format division. We offer a ton of wide format equipment solutions for the industry's top providers. HP, KIP, PageWide, HP, so on. We have our software and technical sales division as well, so we do software training and implementation for many of the products. We have a Xerox multifunction division, and we are actually Atlanta's exclusive Xerox agent. We have received multiple awards, both individually and jointly, for all of our community services. So please stop in when you can. Welcome everyone, this is Zanta with Repro Products. Today's video is on what's new in AutoCAD 2023. This video is strictly just the PowerPoint presentation. All the individual software enhancements will be individual videos that come out later. And for now, our presentation is just on the PowerPoint. Our agenda for the PowerPoint presentation today is understanding what is AutoCAD 2023, looking at automation and productivity tools, looking at mobility functionality, and looking at all the newest innovations that are provided to us with AutoCAD 2023. So what's new in AutoCAD 2023? We break this down into a greater productivity from automation, for unmatched mobility, and for continuous innovation. So when we talk about greater productivity from automation, we're talking about the AutoCAD vertical products that come with the software. So in other words, the AutoCAD with specialized tool sets, AutoCAD architecture, AutoCAD MEP, so on and so forth. And it will help you just be more productive and more efficient. Unmatched mobility, we're talking about being able to use AutoCAD anywhere you are. So we can actually introduce web.autocad.com and be able to use the software and get access to your files in the cloud and things like that faster and easier. And so you're not restricted to a desktop or a laptop. And then continuous innovation section, we'll talk about the new enhancements and features to the 2023 software. So looking at greater productivity from automation, we're talking about the percentage of efficiency that has been increased by use of specific tool sets. And so when we look at the different tool sets that are available, architecture tool set, mechanical, electrical, MEP, and so on, you can see down below in the chart, there's a certain percentage of productivity gain that Autodesk has kind of filtered and figured out by all the clients who use those products. And it's just to help you work smarter and faster. When we talk about the collections, we have Architecture, Engineering, and Construction collection. In this collection, there are a lot of applications, not just AutoCAD. You have AutoCAD, all the AutoCAD tool sets, specialized tool sets, and you have Revit, Navisworks, you name it. There's a long list of applications that are contained in the AEC collection. Specifically speaking about the AutoCAD 2023, we talk about things like automating floor plan sections and elevation drawings using AutoCAD Architecture. We talk about real-time error checking of wiring diagrams in AutoCAD Electrical, creating and detailing concepts, link database data for maps in drawings like Map3D, and then other additional automation tools specific to certain tool sets that you use. So try as much as you can to use those additional tool sets and to try to gain access and make your workflow processes smoother and easier just to save time. In the Design and Manufacturing collection, they also have their set of products as well that you can use to help you automate and make your processes more efficient. There are hundreds of thousands of symbols and parts for MEP and HVAC systems. You have automatic alignment and connections of parts. You have calculating forces of parts and objects, and automated billing of materials. And there's just a small subset list of the things that are available using the Design and Manufacturing collection. Heading into the second area is unmatched mobility. So now we start talking about how do we use our software smarter, faster, wherever we are. We can use it on our desktop, we can use it on our laptop, we can use it on a mobile device like a smartphone or a tablet. And now you can use it on the web. So if you go to web.autocad.com, you have a stripped down version of AutoCAD and you can start using it. In addition, you can use cloud storage connectivity functionality with AutoCAD software too. So if you have Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Autodesk Drive, and Autodesk Docs, as long as you download and install the applications that work with the functionality of them, you can actually configure AutoCAD to be able to access those locations from within the application. Okay? And again, like I said, look for the videos that I'll be producing in the near future of each of the new features, and that way you'll get an idea of what we're talking about. Lastly, under the continuous innovation aspects, we're talking about what new feature sets or what enhanced feature sets has Autodesk done to AutoCAD 2023 to make your life easier. My insights, they talk about using machine learning now to kind of analyze and understand what you're doing with the software, and it will help you with figuring out, what commands you use most, how do you use it, and it may suggest and offer alternative ways to do things, or may suggest, hey, did you know about this command in AutoCAD or this system variable? That's what the machine learning aspect of it is in the Autodesk AutoCAD software. Okay. They have markup import and markup assist functionality, so you can actually take physical markups, take pictures of it, bring it into the AutoCAD environment, and start doing, coordination against it that way. For those who are developers and programmers, you can use the Lisp API for the web.autocad.com functionality now. So for those of you who know how to do this kind of stuff, it may help you automate some of the things you're trying to do. And then the updates to some of the new commands from 2022 to 2023. They have updated the floating windows command functionality. They have updated the trace command, the count command. They've updated Sheet Set Manager, and a few other functions and new commands have been introduced as well. So again, just watch for those separate videos as I make them and push them out. If you are running AutoCAD LT 2023, don't worry. A lot of the features are also there as well as enhanced performance, being able to draft more precisely, to be able to create your documentation faster because the engine's enhanced, and then it's still being able to work with the web and mobile apps with AutoCAD LT back and forth. For those of you who already know and those of you who don't know, obviously when you purchase software, you want to make sure that you get the best of your subscription benefits. So making sure it's on subscription, you will get access to technical support. You'll get updates to the software, patches, updates, security fixes, add-ins and enhancements. You have flexible term lengths, so you don't actually have to buy it for 3 years or 1 year. You can always, purchase it on a quarterly basis or a semi-annual basis. You can even do flex token now, like I said in one of my previous videos, which was the newest video for Autodesk accounts and accessing that site and being able to access your software, the users, assigning rights, things like that. So look for that video too. It's called Autodesk Accounts June 2022. And then lastly, the administrative tools, which we're talking about just now, being able to access your software, manage licenses, seats, and usage. So look for that video. That will help you out quite a bit as well. Those of you, obviously, we know that AutoCAD has been around for quite some time, and it is trusted by millions of users. So it's not a product that's, a fly-by-night kind of product. Make sure you use it to the best of your ability. Learn as much as you can. Take advantage of the tools that are available for you to make your efficiency much better. As always, you can always contact us, your reseller, if you have questions or you need advice or you need more training, whatever it takes, just reach out to us and we will help you out. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. This has been a video on AutoCAD 2023 and what's new, strictly PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much for watching.